everybody. Welcome to Studio 64. My name's David, and I've been searching the interzones for some more science, space, and tech news to share with you. And I came across this at Metro. Yes, apparently we may have found a new telltale sign of alien life. This should be really interesting. I wonder if they've pointed the telescope towards Canberra or Washington or London or something. Right in our respective bloody politicians' faces. Yes, that's got to be alien life. How can we possibly spot alien life outside the solar system when it's so far away? It's a problem that's long baffled astronomers, but there could be a new telltale sign. Planets that look unusually alike. This is because spacefaring aliens travelling from their own planet to others could alter them, so they look the same. Ah, yes, terraforming. Yes, at the moment, astronomers searching for extraterrestrial life focus on two signals. Biosignatures, molecules in the atmosphere that can only be produced by biological processes, and technosignatures, signs of technology being used on another planet, usually light. All this stuff fascinates me. As I say, I'm not a scientist myself. I just really love all science. If there's any sort of astronomers or astrophysicists out there, or aerospace engineers, or astrobiologists, or anything like that, please feel free to comment below because we'd love to hear from you. Fascinating. However, this approach relies on the assumption that alien life will be similar to Earth, both in terms of chemistry and civilization, which could be a mistake. Human beings being the, I guess, limited mind creatures that we are, only see within our own sphere or our own bubble. So we only look at what we're familiar with. So we assume that creatures will be bipedal, humanoid. They could be something completely different. You could have an intelligent race of bacteria, for God's sake. Just because bacteria is not intelligent, classed as intelligent on Earth, doesn't mean it couldn't be intelligent somewhere else in the universe. It's quite fascinating. To avoid overlooking other signals, two astronomers in Japan have taken a very different approach. That's a lovely picture, isn't it? Quite like that picture. That's nice. Absolutely amazing. Lana Sinapayan from the Sony Computer Science Laboratories in Japan and Harrison Smith at the Tokyo Institute of Technology used a computer simulation to show how life travelling across the universe could leave a trail. Key to their theory are the ideas known as panspermia, the ability of life to spread between planets, and terraformation, changes to the planet's environment as a result of colonization. Yeah, the terraforming I was talking about. And panspermia. Life on Earth could have started from a rock that, I don't know, came from Mars when it had life, and some massive explosion shot some material up off the planet, came to Earth, started life here as Mars was dying. That's a possibility. It doesn't say that's what's happened, but it's a possibility. Fascinating. Now, using a simulated universe containing 1,000 planets, the pair designed a test to determine which planets may contain life, judging on similarities and, importantly, which planet that life originally spread from. That's fascinating. Writing up their findings available on the preprint database Arxiv. Somebody's got to show me in the comments how to pronounce that, because I've come across it a lot. It looks fantastic. It's an amazing thing. As I say, I'll leave the link to the main article below the video so you can pop in and check all these links out. It's really amazing. The authors said, our model shows that as life propagates across the galaxy, correlations emerge between planetary characteristics and location and can function as a population scale agnostic biosignature. This biosignature is agnostic because it is independent of strong assumptions about any particular my brain's operating on half of Biden this morning. Instantiation of life or planetary characteristic by focusing on a specific hypothesis of what life may do rather than what life may be. Yes, we have no idea what life could be like on other planets. We certainly don't. Look at that. That's amazing. Yeah, see, we look at that and immediately our brain goes, well, that's a very primitive planet. Look at that beastie like a dinosaur, right? How do we know that this isn't a very advanced technology and this is the prime minister or the president of its bloody whatever they consider a country, and this is his bloody Sunday at the beach like Joe Biden, right? You don't know that. I mean, it could be anything. I mean, it probably is just a regular creature from little beastie from the sea, but You know, it could be one of their bloody equivalent of a Pulitzer Prize winning journalist, for God's sake. However, Associate Professor David Armstrong warns lookalike planets have a simpler explanation. They could be made of similar materials. There are a couple of things there that I think would stop this being a one and done. We've definitely found life. If we see this kind of output, he said, speaking to Metro.co.uk's sister publication. New Scientist. My God, you've got it bad today, David. Dear, oh dear. Dr. Armstrong from the University of Warwick also said we need better telescopes to make reliable similarity comparisons. When we get to that stage, you'll be able to just look at lots of planets to try to find certain chemicals. So there'll be a lot of angles to explore there in terms of habitability, he said. The hunt continues. Yes, very, very interesting indeed. As I said, I find it fascinating that human beings can't see beyond their own perception. And that's what I loved about Einstein. He used his imagination as well as his intellect. And I think if we do that a lot more, I think we're going to get a lot better on, a lot well. Geez, I am channeling Joe Biden today. We will get along a lot better, not only with any intelligent life forms we meet in the universe when we do make contact, but hopefully we'll be able to reflect that back on ourselves and treat each other a lot better than we do. All right, well, my name is David. Thanks for joining me for another Studio 64 Science, Space and Tech News update. I shall see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're up for it, drop a comment down below the video because I'd love to hear what you think. All right, take care. And as I always say, if you can't be good at it. And as I also always say,
I'll be back.